Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging In channel. Today for this episode of Logging In, I will be showing you the process of how you can log in into the Liberty Bank. Now for that, first of all, you open any browser on your PC. Then on the search bar, you type in libertybank.com and press enter. This will direct you to the official web page of Liberty Bank. Once you're at the web page, you need to click on the login option on the top right corner. Then here you need to provide your username and then type in your password and then click on sign in. With this, you will be logged in into your account. Just in case if you forgot your password, you can click on forgot my password and there you will see the option of recovering your password. For that, you need to provide your username. Then you need to provide the last four digits of your security number and the email address of yours. Once you provide all the details, you click on reset password. Once you click on reset password, you will be provided with the further instruction for recovering your password. This is how you can log in into the online banking account of Liberty Bank. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging In channel and also don't forget to click on bell icon. Thank you.